Hannah Mess here. It's been gray, rainy, and cloudy today, and here are those showers. We are really focusing on this tornado warning in Hand and Hyde County. This is in effect until 6:15 for now, and we did have radar indicated rotation with this storm, which means that meteorologists do think that there is a tornado associated with this thunderstorm. Storms move into your area, probably starting to see the rain here in the city.
Well, Hannah Mess here joins me now for a full weather forecast. Hannah, you can't tell now because it's dark out, but it was a really nice day out, especially for hunting season, pheasant season starting.
Really great day for the first day of pheasant season. It was sunny, with pretty warm too, in the 60s all across the region, and there's still beautiful night, nothing going on the radar, just some clouds in western South Dakota. Those clouds are gonna make their way east though. It'll be kind of cloudy tomorrow. On the iMart Express sky camera, it's a pretty great night over Sioux Falls. Today we had a high of 66 degrees, low of about 44 degrees, a bit more than what we're expecting for this time of year in terms of warmth, but can't complain too much about that. Now, our low pressure system is going to make its way from Montana into our region. Now, this is going to cause some clouds to build overnight, and we're going to have a cool and rainy afternoon tomorrow. So I really hope you all enjoyed today. Currently, we are already in the 40s, 45 in Sioux Falls, 45 degrees in Sisseton, 46 in Mobridge, 46 in Chamberlain, and 47 for you all in Winter. Tonight, we will be in the 30s and 40s because of that cloud cover. 44 in Yankton, 39 degrees in Watertown, 35 in Aberdeen, 43 in Pierre, and 46 degrees in Winter. Now, we're going to see a clear sky until around 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, when those clouds really expand over the entire region. And we're also going to see those rain showers off in the northwest and central South Dakota. Now, these showers will be because of that low pressure system going to sit over central South Dakota by early tomorrow afternoon, and it is going to make its way to the southeast, causing rain bands to really grow over eastern South Dakota along I-29. So make sure you have your umbrella ready for Sunday evening because you're going to want to have it. Now, precipitation amounts aren't going to be too bad. We're talking a trace to half an inch in central South Dakota in this green shaded area. Up where we're seeing the blue is where we're going to have maybe a little bit more than half an inch, but considering what we had a couple weeks ago, it's really not going to be too bad. And highs are going to be in the 50s, about where they're supposed to be. 57 in Brookings, 53 degrees in Watertown, 51 in Mobridge, and 59 degrees for you down in Winter. Now, it is Halloween season, so we have your haunted house forecast because we've got haunted houses all over the region. It'll be a spooky night for a haunted house, 44 degrees and a bit rainy, so that'll be kind of fun to go dancing with Dracula if you have the chance tomorrow night. And Audi is our dog of the night. We have Shelly's dog, Audi. Now tomorrow, not the best day for dog walking. We've got rain showers across the region, 44 degrees in the morning. A sweet spot in the early morning is what we're looking at for the best time to go walking your dog. But I love Shelly's little sweater. It's absolutely great. And you'll want a sweater for tomorrow because of the 50s and rain. And sadly, Jenna, we've got rain for the start of this week. Now, the rest of the week doesn't look too bad. We do have a slight chance of precipitation Tuesday into Wednesday. That isn't as good as Sioux Falls as it is in Aberdeen because Aberdeen does have a slight flurry Tuesday into Wednesday, but the rest of the week doesn't look too bad for you up in Aberdeen. Here, pretty much the same story. Starting the week out with some showers with some slight chances for some flurries Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, but 50s back in this forecast for Wednesday, so could be worse.
I like that Halloween vampire graphic you had of the dancing vampire. That was great.
Yeah.
Thanks,
You
Hannah.
can't go wrong with dancing vampires.
Right, thanks, Hannah.
And some of us might not be done with the storms tonight, is that right?
Yeah, we could see some storms, mainly tomorrow, though, in south central South Dakota. The storms are making their way slowly into western Minnesota tonight.
Sorry, didn't mean to interrupt you there, Hannah. Tell us what's going on in the weather department here today.
The storms, as they pass along the warm front, they start to spin, which really it starts to get those tornadoes going. If you have friends on the Florida coast, make sure they are taking some extra precautions because a Category 4 hurricane isn't something you want to mess around with, and it will climb up the coast of Florida making its way to the Georgia and Carolina coasts by 2 o'clock on Wednesday. The fall equinox is determined by the angle of the sun's rays as it hits the earth. It's now, instead of most of those rays hitting the northern hemisphere, they'll be hitting the southern hemisphere. That starts at 2:50 in the morning Central Time. 38 degrees for our overnight low tomorrow. So get out and enjoy Native American Day because it'll be one of the nicest weather days we've had in a little bit of time.